Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I have been wanting to make one of these cute little umbrella wreaths for a while now. I am so ready to welcome spring, and what other way than an umbrella and some tulips. Everything I'm using I got off of Amazon. I will post a link to everything in the description. This is also a great way to recycle old or broken umbrellas, and you can use just about any kind of flower. The first thing I'm going to do is take one of my tulips and just do a little measuring. I'm trying to determine how far I want my tulips and where I'm eventually going to attach my zip tie in the end. So you see my left hand, I'm holding around the umbrella. That is where I'm going to attach my zip tie. But for right now, I'm going to wrap a piece of floral wire around the umbrella. I'm doing this because I can adjust the tulips inside the umbrella better if I know where my zip tie is going to be. I actually had to start over because I put all my tulips in the umbrella, and once I attached the zip tie, it completely repositioned all of my tulips. They were all scrunched together and I just did not like the look of it. The way the umbrella is laying, it kind of created these little flaps, and I'm just going to use the top two flaps on each side, and one by one I'm going to just slide my tulips in. All I'm doing here is adjusting my tulips, trying to make every tulip visible before I attach my zip tie. After I attach my zip tie, I'm going to remove the wire and then cut the excess zip tie. Now, if you've seen any of my videos, you'll notice that I don't make bows on camera, and that's because I struggle bad with making bows. But I'm gonna take this bow that I worked so hard on and attach this to the center of the umbrella, and I added a little hot glue to keep it in place. Then before I hang this up, I am going to fluff my bow out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more crafting videos. Thank you so much for watching.